How to find animated thumbnail settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find animated thumbnail settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile. Click on it and then click the three lines here in the top corner, and here you will find settings and privacy. Click on it. Now scroll down until you find this one, accessibility. Just click on it, and as you see here you will find this one, first one, animated thumbnail. Now just you can turn it off or on, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.